Greetings, beautiful souls. This is Diana Golden Eagle, Medicine Woman. In this now moment, I'd like to sing a frequency. And if you can take a moment to breathe in, breathe out, and listen to this music, this sound in your heart chakra. I send you peace. I send you unconditional divine love. For we are one on the great circle of life. In this now moment, I seek for all of you to open your hearts and send out unconditional divine love, divine light to the universe, to the earth, to the waters, to everything around us. For us to elevate in the God Source energy, for us to go forward, for us to heal, for us to unite. So I sing this song for all of you to feel this energy in your heart chakras. Diana. I sing for peace, for all. I sing for joy. I sing for prosperity. I sing for the waters to be blessed with golden energy. I sing for the lands, the animal kingdoms to receive golden energy. I sing to all of you for the healing of your heart chakras, for us to ascend all the old to the Creator, send all the energies that is low vibrational frequencies to the God Source. I sing to you unconditional divine love to you each and every moment as you walk your journeys to release the old, to go forward in the new. We are created on the great circle of life from the Creator. You are benevolence. You are divinely supported. We unconditionally love you. Diana, Golden Eagle, Medicine Woman. I sing to you. I sing to you in your dream time. I sing to you as you walk your journeys. Each and every moment, we unconditionally love you. We unconditionally support you. We encourage you to remember you are divine. You are divine essence. You are beautiful in your essence. We are all spokes on the medicine wheel. medicine woman. In this now moment, may you feel the peace, may you feel the love, may you feel the energy radiating to your heart chakras. May you feel the peace, the inner peace. May you receive clarity for all the situations you're going through. May you feel the benevolence around you, above and so below. May you feel the ancestors guiding your path with the left foot, right foot. May you feel the animal totems above and so below. The great sacred circle, the sacred waters of the animal kingdoms waiting for you to connect. The dolphins, the whales, all waiting, benevolent souls around this planet. The ancestors on the other side of the realm is waiting for you to connect. Our star nations that seeded us, the Pleiadians, are waiting for you to connect. So I say to you, start to practice meditation. Start to practice mindfulness with your words, your thoughts, your feelings, your actions. Everything is vibrational frequency, energy. It vibrates out into the consciousness. So I seek for all of you to drop old ways of speaking, first of all, to yourself and to others. Drop the ideas and concepts that were taught to you in a low vibrational old energy. This is a new energy on earth. It is forming into wonderful divine love energies. It is creating wonderful new creations. I seek for all of you to open your eyes, open your ears, open your heart wider. Compassion is what this planet needs. Unification is what this planet needs. We are on the great circle of life together. We are to come together and change the old programs. We are all cogs on the wheel of life. We all support each other. We all teachers and students. We all carry wisdom. All souls carry wisdom from the past to the now. I say to you, from the divine creation, the God source that has guided all of us, that is within all of us, it is time to heal the past. It is time to go in deep within and open your heart chakras to all of humanity. On the great circle of life, on the medicine wheel of life, we are created equal. We all are created from the God source, above and so below. It is time, wonderful souls. On the medicine wheel, we're all spokes. We all have been seeded from the God source, central sun, spirit, if you want to call it. We all have divine essence. We all are seeded from the 15 star nations. The Pleiadians have seeded us. We are to connect to our star families. We are to remember this. You're all star seeds. You've all been seeded from the stars, every single one of you. You are benevolent in your essence. There's a divine purpose to your soul journeys. There's a divine purpose to the past, to the present. I say to all of you to look within and open up your heart chakra. Peace and blessings. Diana Golden Eagle, Medicine Woman. If you're open to receiving a healing card reading, sacred card readings, if you're open to receiving dream catches, please connect to me either on Facebook. I am on TikTok. There is some YouTube videos. I'm here for you, to support you, uplift you, encourage you to remember sacred knowledge of remembrance, to empower you to implement them, change your life, to change how you interact with yourself and interact with others. It is so important for us beautiful souls to remember sacred knowledge of remembrance, to go forward and create new and positive timelines for humanity. So I say to you, unconditional divine love, and so it is.